For more than 30 years, MYDAY machinery have been manufacturing precision heavy-duty lathes here in Taiwan. This is the 3A series oil country lathe designed for heavy-duty cutting of large workpieces commonly used in the metalworks and petroleum industries. But this is no ordinary conventional lathe. MYDAY machinery have gone a step further and have added a PC-based touch panel interface which will ensure that you realize the full potential of this machine. With the user-friendly touchscreen, setting up and selecting pre-programmed or your custom-made cycles is easy. Even for someone like me, with very little experience, is able to start a taper threading or heavy cutting cycle with just a few simple steps. Let's have a look at some of the other key features of this amazing machine. With the new conversational programming system, along with the other fantastic features on this machine, you are sure to reduce your cycle times, improve machining accuracy, and increase your production rates. So if you would like to know more about this machine, then contact MYDAY Machinery today.